Would you like? Unwrapping the art of polite offers in English. Hello there, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to unwrap the beauty and importance of a commonly used phrase in English. Would you like? It's a key phrase in making polite offers and can completely transform the tone of your conversation. So, let's dive into its definition and usage. Would you like is a polite phrase used to offer something to someone or ask if they want something. It's a part of the conditional tense, but don't worry, you don't always have to think about complex grammar rules when you use it. It's more about making the person you're talking to feel comfortable and respected. The phrase, "would you like," is typically followed by a noun or an action verb ending in ing. For example, 1. Would you like some tea? Here, some tea is a noun. 2. Would you like going to the movies tonight? Here, going to the movies tonight is an action verb in ing form. In conversation, how do you respond to "would you like"? Here are some possibilities. 1. If you want to accept the offer, you can say, "Yes, please." 2. If you want to decline politely, you can say, "No, thank you." Now, let's put what we've learned into practice. Here are a few exercises for you. 1. Fill in the blanks. Would you like blank? Try filling the blank with a noun and an action in ing form. 2. Write down responses to these phrases. Would you like some coffee? Would you like joining us for lunch? And that's it for today's lesson, folks. You've learned the basics of using "would you like," a polite way to make offers and ask if someone wants something. With practice, this phrase can become a natural part of your English conversations, helping you come across as more respectful and considerate. Remember, the key is practice. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.